In today's data-driven economy, bandwidth is the backbone, the circulatory system of our global connectivity. From the depths of the oceans to the heart of our cities, fiber optics have laid the foundation for this digital era, transferring data at the speed of light. Billions have been invested in weaving this intricate network of fiber, bringing unparalleled data speeds to our doorsteps. Yet, there's a final, crucial step that remains: bringing fiber inside. Imagine the capillaries in your hand failing to work. That's what happens when fiber doesn't reach inside our buildings. It's here that IFP Connect steps in. IFP Connect specializes in bringing fiber directly into buildings, weaving it through the walls to wall-mounted transceivers, making the transition from copper as effortless as it is essential. We're not just installing cables, we're preparing your space for the bandwidth-heavy future, be it AI, virtual reality, rich video interactions, or technologies yet to be imagined. Copper's bandwidth limitations are a bottleneck for innovation. It's like an old dirt road versus a high-speed railway, and while wireless has its place, only fiber can handle the high-speed demands of tomorrow everywhere and anywhere within your building. Like the capillaries delivering life to every fingertip and facial feature, IFP Connect ensures every corner of your building is ready to thrive in the digital age. Because when it comes to the future of connectivity, the best time to prepare was yesterday. The next best time is now with IFP Connect. Future-proof your building today. Visit us at ifpconnect.com.